Right. Oh, tab, I think. Is it tab? And then you can do like Q and I thought you Q and E would rotate through the different tab things. How do I look at my bags? I thought it was tab. Ripper, what's up, man? Tab and then Q. Oh, R. Items. Kidney beans. I don't know how to... I don't know how to look at those pictures, bro. I just try to roll. This is a side quest, I think, right? So, like, we don't actually have to go do it. Tennessee Walker. Let's talk to this guy. He hiding? Aim, weapon, rob, greet, R.
Evening.
Howdy.
I've had better days, that's for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Did he fall in a hole?
Days like that.
Did he glitch through the ground or something? It's hard to tell. I don't rightfully know. I guess if I look at my map, it will tell me where I should go next. What are these down here? Is that like... Should I just head down here? I'm not sure. Oh, is that where that's where I am? No, I'm right here in Valentine. So I think I want to hop on Greet always. It Dan ain't got no legs. The guy's got no legs, Trap Lord. I know. I don't know if he glitched through the floor. No, but he was walking taller and then he went smaller. Yeah, so he glitched. I think he broke through the earth. I think I'm supposed to get on my horse and ride over here, just go south. Take the road. I don't know what else to do in this town. I feel like I came here for a reason, though. And I don't know what that reason is. It sucks, too, when you mouse over something, it doesn't tell you what it is. You just kind of, like, have to know. Okay, like, that's the butcher, for instance. This is the Theater of Pain mask. Okay. Looks like maybe a post office, if you will. A hospital. What? I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. I think we ride. We ride south, guys. Come on, H. Come on, H. You're coming with me, H. We're riding south. I think this is south. You're gonna get run over, dude. Okay. We're going south to the tent where our camp is, I guess. Trying to figure out what the hell we're supposed to be doing. Am I going south? Whoa. Just ride on the tracks? What if I get caught on a trestle when the train's coming? Yeah, I think we're on the right road. So there's our road to run along the side of the railroad track. That makes sense. It's like a service road. Unless it's Micah. If it's Micah, shoot now, ask questions later. Is that what you're telling me? Dude, is my horse getting it on or what? I think I remember I had to turn right over here somewhere, right? Yeah, I think this is it. No, it's up there. Or just bring it around town? I don't know. I have no idea. We're gonna get back on. I think once I get back to my home, I think we'll know what the next mission is. Kind of riding across country. You have unlocked the Horseman Challenge. Check your log for more information. 1 of 5 rabbit kills. What, did I just kill a rabbit by running over him or something? Is my home up there? I did start a run level 1 run yesterday. Scoring, did you? Awesome. Dude, do it right, brother.
I don't think you should just be wandering around here, friend. Not a thing happens round here without an O'Driscoll saying so. Understand me? Consider this a warning.
Are they talking to me? You know it's a video game and have guns, right?
Go on! Get lost! That's it. Yep. Off your trot.
Okay. RS. RS says real big on the thing. Those guys kind of needed to get shot, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, there's a big question mark right here. And I went way past my house. What is RS?
You got issues with me? Can you just vamoose?
Where do I tie my horse up? Have I been in here before?
Swanson, you hear me?
RS, that's Reverend Swanson, guys. I just solved it. I just want to tie my horse up. I still don't know how to get out the horse. Is it over there? It's over here. All right, I think we figured it out, folks. It's a nice moseying kind of game. Hitch horse, eat. There we go. Hitch your horse. Reverend Swanson. How do you dismount? That's what I'm saying. I don't know how to dismount.
Goodness! Come on! What's the hold up? Play your damn hand. Play it! Alright.
Sounds like we're playing poker, guys. In a different room. I'm gonna look over, guys. I want to. Uh-oh, is there an open seat?
Mr. Morgan, I took your advice, sir. I took your advice.
Then your god has finally deserted you. What you talking about?
I took your advice, sir. I have removed myself from Morpheus's embrace.
Looks
No
like he's
more
dying.
shall I sink, sir. I am free. I am free.
You don't seem free, friend. You seem drunk.
Sit down, Reverend. We ain't finished.
You ain't finished. Look at him. He's finished.
None of us forced liquor down his throat. Friend, I just want him to play.
Now, firstly, we ain't friends. Don't make no mistake on that subject. Now, secondly, he can't hardly see, let alone reason. Now, reasoning ain't never been one of my strong points neither, but seeing I do just fine. You want to step outside or deal with business here?
I just want him to finish the game.
Why can't we all just get along? These are good men, Arthur. They're children of God. They're children of God.
How's about you playing his place, huh? That seems fair?
Fair?
Sure. You want a game?
I think I'm not going to play, but Scorn did tell me they're cheating.
I can't, partner.
Do they cheat every single time?
I don't mean to spoil your fun, but I got things to do.
You sure?
Quite sure. I gotta get
I
him out
gotta
of
shut
here.
my ringer off.
Come on, Reverend, let's get you.
Shut my dinger. I'm busy working.
Where'd he go?
I don't know. I was talking to you.
Gentlemen. Reverend Swanson! Where'd you go?
You can speak to other people in the world by holding the fine Reverend Swanson. R.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. You see a drunken idiot, a priest, wandering about?
Sure, we saw him, smelt him, and avoided him.
Oh.
He went that way, I think.
Thanks.
Guy looked kind of crazy, mister.
Well, you have no idea.
I don't see him. Think he's going down?
Get your hands off him.
Say a word.
You'll keep. You stay out of it.
Get your hands off him now, you son of a bitch.
What the hell is your problem?
I think I forgot how to fight.
I'll kill you both.
I forgot how to block though. How do you block again?
You're going down.
I forgot to block. Uh-oh, he put my lights out. Did I just die in a fight? What? How do you block? On my mouse and keyboard. You never had a winning game against the last 5 times. Okay, so you've tried it 5 times. We're gonna retry checkpoint, I guess. I forgot how to block. It told me how to block. Should I pull the gun out and just shoot the guy? He killed me. That could be a maneuver. Settings. Controls. Keyboard and mouse. Key mapping. Okay. Open map, interact. Mount, horse, enter vehicle is E. Look behind. Okay. Move forwards, move backwards, move left. Right. Take carry, stealth, jump. There's stealth. Is it crouch? Left control. Backwards. Oh, that's on horse. Combat. Lock on, interact, aim. Interact, lock on. You can do that. Okay, attack. Melee attack. F. Melee block is R. Okay, F and R. There we go. Now we can kick this guy's ass. We just gotta dodge a couple of attacks. I seem to remember it not being very difficult. This guy's a little tougher than the last guy I fought, though. But so are we. Where were they? They were right over here somewhere, huh? Get your hands off him. Harry Potter, absolutely simple. No, this is Red Dead Redemption 2.
Get your hands off him.
I didn't say a word.
You'll keep. You stay out of it.
Get your hands off him now, you son of a bitch.
Oh, I was supposed to block that.
You're going down. Bastard. Pair of damn fools.
At least hit me, bro.
Wow. Dude, are you supposed to lose this fight or something?
Come on.
I got him.
Oh my God, killed him. I'm gonna get the law on you.
I killed him. I would have just shot him if I knew that the cops were coming. Witness. People who see you commit crimes will be marked as a witness. Witnesses will try and find a lawman or town sheriff office to report your crime. Do we loot this guy? The witness escaped. Get him. I got to chase him on foot. Snitches get stitches. Harry, that's what I keep saying. No one believes me. Snitches get stitches. Thank you. Finally, someone who understands. Retry checkpoint. Go.
Hey, you! Get back here! Don't run from me.
E. Threaten.
You keep your mouth shut.
Yep. I won't tell a soul. I promise.
Go ahead and hit him.
Not taking any chances. Reverend, get off the damn tracks!
Oh, God. Reverend Jim's up on the freaking tracks. Is he going to fall off, guys? This guy's a joke. This guy's causing us all kinds of problems, man. I mean, we already had to kill 2 people because of him. And he's our friend? Oh, my God.
Come on, my friend! It's
Come on,
just
my
a
friend.
simple mistake. You can still be saved.
What the hell is he doing?
What have you done with your foot?
It appears to like this.
Uh-oh. I'm going to have to mash a button and get his foot out. Here comes a train.
Get your foot out of here! Twist your leg, you drunken bastard! Help! Help me over! Get it!
That was horrifying. Get this guy's drunk ass off the freaking bridge.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, no, you don't! What the hell is wrong with you?
What the hell is wrong with you? Throwing me off a bridge like
There
that?
was a goddamn train, you crazy bastard!
Have I been bad again, Mr. Morgan? I'm sorry.
We gotta sober this guy up.
I wish I was different.
He's no good for the team. You are different. That's a problem.
Let's get you home.
Home. Yeah, that's a wonderful idea. I could have tea with Margaret.
Margaret, who's Margaret?
But
Pick him up. Pick him up. Scorn, try not to spoil it for me, okay?
if I do.
I'm trying to get a little bit more of this. Stow R. Okay, and then get on my horse.
Kippers, please.
Hey, Charlie back there.
Okay, and then I will follow the yellow brick road. Watch my horse break his leg on a train track. Dude, the way I'm moving, you'd think the guy'd fall off the back. I have to pick him up again. Dude, I heard a noise. I thought it was a train coming, bro. We're going this way. Dude, this horse boogies, though. It boogies with horsepower. Like my friend's band. Oh, this guy's gonna have to get out of the way. Should I stop and rob? You can rob people, right? Can you kill all the witnesses and never get caught? Whoa. I'm on the wrong yellow brick road, guys. You gotta look at the mini-map.
You shut up.
Sorry, I'm talking to my chat. Hitch my horse. You just hitch it right here. Remove swamp. Calm down there. Calm down there. Let me get the guy off of you. Okay. So where do we take him to? Drop him off in his bed. They said. Is it that little X? Can I run with a full-grown man on my shoulder? Yeah, I think that I'm gonna say it's probably the X. You think Margaret's there? That was a guitar your late friend gave you, right? Both of these are actually. Oh no. No, the guy gave me this acoustic and that Telecaster in the middle and the back. My friend Sam gave me that. The Smokehouse Guitar Army. He's still alive. The guy who gave me the Les Paul, my friend Kurt, he's the one that passed away. Yeah. Is this his home? R, drop. You're home now, buddy.
You better sleep your way to salvation, my friend.
Oh, what happened?
Just the usual.
Poor bastard.
Exactly.
Well, thank you, Mr. Morgan. I'll keep an eye on him.
He was lucky this time. Real lucky.
You have unlocked the Gambler Challenge. Check your log for more information. Mission complete. Hold F1 for details. It looks like I need to eat. There's food in the game. Did everyone see $1,049.99 for the Steam machine, which has only 8 gigs of memory, so just a basic PC from that point of view. Doesn't even have the computer power of the PS5 or Series X. Yeah, that's weird, man. There's a price. There's a price. What do we got? What are Jolly Jacks? Chewing tobacco. Wacky tobacco. Kidney beans. Canned peaches. Baked beans. I ate. I don't know though, was it because like my screen was like starting to look like I was gonna die when I was running and stuff? I was running out of stamina. I still just don't know what I'm doing here. This guy don't want to talk. Great.
So, a feller in town recognized me from Blackwater. That's not good. It's okay, though. I dealt with it.
It's a cut. How do I know I'm supposed to eat though, Josh? How can I tell I have to eat? Because I need to try and figure it out myself, or at least learn. You know what I'm saying? I don't get it. Like, I don't see a hunger thing. I look at the map, I don't see a hunger thing. What's the international sign for hunger? I don't know what it is. Probably not upgradable at all.
Hi there, Arthur.
Yeah, I don't understand why they would do that. I mean, there are already companies that sell PCs. And if this new Steam machine thing comes with less power for $1,100 that you can just go buy a freaking Dell at Office Max for $900, then who wouldn't just do that? Did you take off your hat or did you lose it? I took it off, I think. Why did I take my hat off? I think I lost it. How'd I lose my hat, bro? Oh, this is where the Q and the ego. Okay. Baked beans, but how come he's not eating them now? Oh, release tab to use.
How are you? Very well. Now,
Oh,
here's what I like to hear.
there's a little things above my mini map, like the heart and the stuff. But how do you look at them? Oh, you hit the tab button. Okay, and wait, and the heart. Oh, I see. It can be all the way full. Okay.
Oh, hey, Uncle.
Crackers. Release tab to use.
Mr. Marston.
I don't know. I see a heart, I see a lightning, and I see a like an eyeball with an X on it. I'm not sure which line is getting bigger. Oh, it was my heart. Okay. Now you're good. The outside grows with time. Oh, I see. Okay. That makes sense. Okay, good. I didn't know I had to eat. I probably ate way too much freaking food.
Evening.
I'm back in my hometown, but like LS, what does it mean? LS. There's an H over here. I could go talk to the H, I guess. It doesn't let me run in. Oh, Jose. Go hunting. Oh. Okay.
Jose,
Do you have to go hunting?
Go hunting?
what are you hunting? An elephant?
I wish. No, I saw a huge bear. One of the biggest I ever saw. I reckon nearly 1,000 pounds.
My God. But you need me to come with you.
Of course. Let's go.
Where are we heading exactly?
Up near the Dakota River?
Kevin, what's up,
Might take
dude?
A day or two.
I could do with a break from this place.
Oh, me too. It's been a rough couple of weeks. You need anything?
I don't think so. I got all I need.
Let's go then. So you still ain't replaced Boadicea?
Nah, I miss her. She was quite a horse. This one's okay, but ain't no Boadicea.
I've been meaning to offload this big Shire horse for a while now. Unruly bastard.
Where'd you get her?
Okay.
Some big, loudmouth bastard tried to rob me. Was out riding, so I... Well, you know how it is.
I see.
Let's take him to Valentine. It's on the way, sorta. There's a decent dealer there. We'll unload him, you can buy yourself a new horse. Put your saddle on them. Let's get going.
Okay. But I do kind of like this horse.
There's nothing wrong with two horses. And the stables always have the best ones.
I guess you're right.
H to remove saddle. I want
This is
I
gonna
want
be fun, Arthur.
You won't throw me?
No, he's an angel. If I'm near him.
Nasty little look in his eyes.
so
Don't be rude about this magnificent...
am I taking this one?
Okay, boy. Here you go.
He's pretty tall, but I don't understand why we're
Okay, see if you can get your leg over that brute.
yeah, it's a pretty tall horse.
He's not that bad.
Steady. G is Pat.
You're okay, boy.
And then how do we get on? Shire. What does Shire mean? E.
Easy, big feller.
All right,
That's a big
let's
horse.
head into town. No bar
This is
fights,
making me want to
please.
watch
I
Tombstone.
heard about that.
Whoa.
I'll do my my best.
We're heading out. Might be gone a couple of days. They got a good range of horse tack at the.
This is not your main horse. It is represented as
beautiful saddles. I used to
okay,
have
a little
nice
horse
one
saddle thing on the radar.
Yeah, what happened to that?
Ooh, is this horse faster?
stolen outside that saloon in Deer Creek.
Feels like it might be faster,
I remember
folks.
now.
Do we get an upgrade?
Wow. That turned into a long day.
I think we got to upgrade, folks. Pretty excited about it.
Mac went crazy, threatened to kill the whole town. And Davy was passed out so cold we left him there. Came back in the next day and he woke up, started right back drinking.
Easter long neck turtle, how you doing, man? Drew!
I miss those
What's
boys.
going on, brother?
Jenny, too. She had some spot, that girl.
It must be pretty hard on Lenny. You could tell he was sweet on her.
Well, Lenny and Jenny could never have worked. That's like Arthur and Martha, or Bill and Phil.
Yeah, maybe you're right.
Maybe you're
Must
right.
feel a bit like our luck died with them, too.
Nonsense. We'll be all right. Just need some money to get back on our feet.
I hope so.
Didn't we rob
You
a...
find a way to offload those
train?
four-wall bonds yet?
Not much, just chilling. How was your Father's Day? It was good, man. I went to dinner with my kids
To be done right.
on Saturday night.
Couple of leads I'm looking into.
And then Sunday, I went to the club and
Don't let
played
that
guitar
big
with my
bastard
friends
get
on
the better of
Father's
you
Day,
there, Arthur.
and
He's all right.
had a blast. Had a blast. It was cool. How about you, man?
Still rolling from the road.
Humans shed around 2 million skin cells every hour, and the skin oil. Oh my God. Squalene helps reduce indoor ozone levels by up to 15%. I don't know what that means.
They're just up ahead.
I don't know what that means. It's almost like it doesn't make sense. What? Am I missing something?
All right.
Take the horse in the
Sell that
stable.
big brute. Buy yourself a horse.
Okay.
I'm going off to the general store.
How much money are we gonna get
That bear out with.
for a horse that we're gonna sell
Here in a bit.
and buy another one?
How can I
Right?
help you?
I'm in the market for a new horse. Something strong and fast.
Yeah, well, you're in the right place. I got some beauties in at the moment.
Cool.
Yeah. And what about this one here?
He's a biggin.
Yeah, you looking to sell?
I show you.
Trade.
You got papers?
No. No papers.
Well, of course, that's gonna affect what I can pay. But your luck's in. I got a fella who's been looking for a decent workhorse like this for a while. He'll pay a good price.
Cool.
Otherwise, I can always stable him here for you. Here, take a look.
Stabling your horse allows you to store it at the stable so you can access it later. If you sell the horse, you will be paid the sell price. Sell, $65. Sell or stable a horse. But how do I know? Well, the guy told me to sell a horse and buy one, right? So we're just gonna sell it. It's gone. Buy horses. Oh man, the American standard's $1.50, bro. I kind of want the Dutch warm blood's looking pretty fancy too, guys. Looks like we're gonna get us an old Morgan. Enter name. You guys know the name. His name is Torrent. Yeah. There we go. Profanity check. The text you entered contains profanity or unsupported characters. Please try again. What? Why can't I use torrent? Is it banned? Drew said it was great. Went to my brothers and my cousins came down from Michigan. Wow. With his family. All of our kids had a blast at the pool. We had excellent grilling drinks. Dude, good. You had a good one, man. Hello, first time playing this game? Yes, I'm Ed. This is my first time playing this game. Okay. It's my first playthrough. It's I think my third stream. My third stream. But, why won't it let me call him Torrent, guys? Torrent. That's not a bad word. Profanity check. The text you entered contains profanity or unsupported characters. Horse thievery gets you a hanging. Why can't I call my horse Torrent, guys? Is Torrent a bad word in some like cowboy lingo or something? Try that. Text you enter contains profanity or unsupported characters. Why? I literally want to ask know-it-all. Why can't I name my horse Torrent in RDR2? It says profanity or unallowed characters. What? I don't want to buy a stupid horse if I can't name it Torrent. I'll walk out of here, buddy, because Torrent trips Rockstar's dumb profanity name filter in RDR2. It's a known issue. People have reported that exact horse name getting blocked, even though it's not actually profanity. Likely reasons. Best guess, Rockstar blocks words related to piracy downloads and Torrent. Oh, Torrent from the freaking, from the downloads, guys. Also, the filter is just overly aggressive, sometimes blocks harmless names like Rachel, Scooter, Fritz, etc. Try Torrent. Yeah. Okay, again, we're gonna see if we can't scam it, guys. T0. Wait. T0. It won't let me use a 0. Torrent. Torrent. How do you even spell torrent? How do you even spell it? Am I spelling it right? Yeah, Torrent. Right. We'll try one R. Torrent. Profanity check. Dude, we're gonna name this horse Torrent. They can't stop us. We're gonna freaking figure it out. Hey! His name is Torrent. We named him Torrent, guys.
All right, partner, you got yourself a deal. And a fine new horse.
I hope so.
Well, I don't sell anything other than good animals. You have my word on that. All right, let's see. Here are your papers. And on me, a new grooming brush and some treats.
Appreciate it.
All right,
We got a goodie bag.
You treat this fella well.
Let's go with our new
I know
horse.
He's gonna look after you just fine.
Interesting choice. How much did you pay for that thing?
Not that much.
Okay, well, with some good care, you should be able to make something of it.
What am I closing this so I can see what's going on? That was Smith Coast. Smith Coast, thank you for the follow on Twitch. I really appreciate it. Welcome to the community. E?
Okay, girl.
All right,
Guys,
let's get going.
my compendium just got updated, so that'll be good.
Away. So,
Got a brand new horse,
what's this lake we're heading for?
and we're going hunting,
Scaldo Cray's Run.
fishing maybe.
Up in the mountains east of Cumberland Falls. I just hope I can remember how to get there.
Uh-oh.
Back into the mountains. I sure didn't figure on that.
But this time, we're doing the chasing.
We'll
So
see.
how are things with you and John?
Fine.
Ain't it about time you let it go now?
It was a year, Hosea.
I wanted to do that. I wanted to, yeah, delete that and ban that.
It's us for a goddamn year.
I've spoken to him many times. He knows he did wrong. He just wants to put it behind him.
I'm sure he does. Running off on that kid is one thing, but there's a code. He knows that. He ain't Trelawney.
Code like a cheat code.
Dutch and you pretty much raised him.
I know,
Megabucks.
but it's done. Has been for a while now.
Nobody else would have been welcomed back that easy after that long. And you know it.
Maybe. But please don't you put that to the test.
I never would.
Jose's a pretty good guy, huh? I think Jose's all right. It's crazy the punishment for taking someone else's horse is a greater punishment than Grand Theft Auto. Really? Yeah. I'll make it a point. In Skyrim, I was in a bar or something, and there was a cup, and it said take, so I took it. And it's like, now all of a sudden I'm a criminal or something.
We need to head right up here.
It is my first time toast. Uh-oh. Going to the reservation, guys. We're gonna get jumped.
I remember this place. Moonstone Pond. We're going the right way. That's the lake there. Good. We made it. Let's loop around the other side.
Trying to follow Jose. Let's go. Am I gonna die? I'm digging it, Toast. Have you played it? I bought this the same day I bought Crimson Desert. I probably put 40 hours into Crimson Desert or something, and then maybe 20 hours. I don't remember exactly how many. Maybe 40. And then I just got away from it. This game, I want to finish this game. And then I want to try some Red Dead Redemption online, whatever that is. What is online? You run around shooting people, stealing horses. You can be a good guy or a bad guy.
Maybe we should catch one to cook.
Let's catch it.
Oh, try and shoot one.
You don't want to use anything too powerful on a small animal like that. Just ruin the meat. Best thing's a bow or a .22 caliber varmint rifle.
I have hunted rabbits before, you know.
Should I get off?
Yes.
Or do it from horseback?
Obliterated them with a...
Should I do it? That'll probably ruin the meat, I'm thinking. I'm going to guess ruin the meat. Where's the bow, guys? I had a bow. I don't understand. E? Okay. Sawed-off shotgun. So I just got these two. Okay. I could throw dynamite at it. There's the bow.
Shotgun, if I remember right.
Where's my... I can't see where they went. Where'd they go? They was right there when I was getting my... Should I just be... Is it dangerous to walk around with a... I'm gonna run out of arrows, dude. Where'd they freaking go? Did they go over here? I don't see him. Where'd they go? There was freaking rabbits everywhere. I took like 2 seconds of my time. Well, he kind of started going that way, right? So I guess I'll go down this trail. I'm looking for the rabbits, right? The little baby rabbits. Oh, how do you do the focus thing again? I don't remember that. Should I get off my horse to hunt a rabbit? I don't see a rabbit, guys. There's no freaking rabbits. How do you stop again?
Slow up now.
Should I don't remember how to dismount. Am I supposed to get off my horse? Yeah, no, that when I ask stuff like that, even if I'm just talking to myself, if I ask and you answer, I won't feel bad about a spoiler. But yeah, on mouse and keyboard, how do I get off a freaking how do you get off the horse, man? Yeah, and I don't remember how to use Deadeye. That's just it. What key is Deadeye? What key is dismount? Set. Whoa. Guys, I've gotten a social club. I don't want to be in a social club. I'm anti-social. Do they not know me? Controls. Keyboard and mouse. Key mapping. Common in-game. On foot. On horse. Well, on foot, I guess, is where you would be. No, on horse. Forward, backward, left, right, whistle. H, right, horse jump, horse melee. Sprint, slow, stop. Left control, I remember that. Interact with the animal. Brush horse, feed the horse. Left horse, melee attack. The horse has a melee attack. Move. Middle mouse, I think. Oh, there was something else I had to check too, though. Okay. Boy, you gotta go all the way out. E, hitch horse. What's wrong? I'm dying. Oh, middle mouse is the thing. But I don't. I can't see the trail, so this was a problem before. Okay, so maybe get on the horse and ride around and use the focus to find the trail. The guitar playing, chest hustling, gunslinger. Hey, Alec, thank you. Thanks for being here, brother. Let me go back to my friend and let's look a little bit here. Okay. I see it now. And get out the horse was E. And then I can hit middle mouse to slow the world down and freaking. So when I see it. How'd I miss that? R. Do I skin it or I pick it up? Pick it up. Boot tail jackrabbit. I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up. I don't need to skin it yet, right? Go to Jose. Okay, well let me go to my horse first. Oh my god. Okay, get off the horse was E. Yeah. Okay, we gotta pick the rabbit up and we have to stow it. Before we stew it, we have to stow it. Horse cargo. R is stow. There we go. Okay. Getting it. Might be easier to play this game with controller if you've got one. You know what, Alec? I am not a person that has an option to play with controller. I have a controller. I bought it for Elden Ring. I'm an older man who's never played any game with controller. And I've been playing PC gaming with mouse and keyboard like
Good job.
since I was born. Since I was 13.
Getting late.
For 45 years.
Sure.
Well, then you get it
So
set
for
up.
me to switch to and start learning mouse and keyboard, hold tab to show the wagon wheel. Okay. But why? Did he just tell me something? The wagon wheel. Crafting camp gives you a place to rest. This one. So we're camping right here? Oh, it's a beautiful camp.
I'm famished.
Yeah, I'm hungry too.
Cook that rabbit then. They're delicious on an open fire like this.
Fine
Oh.
by me.
R, view the crafting menu. Crafting. Playing game. Use. Okay, and now we eat.
You want some of this?
Nah, I'm fine. I don't like eating this late.
Okay. After all that.
Jose's funny. Alex says, like, don't get me wrong, I'm terrible with controller, but with Assassin's Creed or Far Cry or whatever story games with controller feels way more intuitive. Dude, I know nothing about controller. I've never used controller. And the minute I plugged in controller for Elden Ring, I'm like, oh my God, this looks so easy. It looks so easy. But I try to drive around on torrent and stuff. I couldn't do it, man. I mean, I could, but it would just take me. It would take me 1,000 hours, probably more than 1,000 hours, to get anywhere on controller as I am on mouse and keyboard. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Dude, it's slow. I am toast. I am. Cook another. Thank you, sir. May I cook another? I didn't think I had another. Eat it or stow it. I think we're going to stow it. Plain game. Plain Jane. Back is F. Cook another. Thank you, sir. May I cook another? Should I cook them all, guys? How many do I have? How can you keep cooking another? I killed one rabbit. How come I have access to cooking another? This would be 3 rabbits. Yeah. Jose seems like the cool dude. How come it's letting me cook another? Does anyone understand that? Does that make sense? I killed one rabbit. Do I keep cooking until everything's cooked? I mean, we already got the camp set up. This stove. Cook another. I don't understand. Cook. It's the best food. Just cook all the rabbit until what? Until and then stow it? How long does it last in the horse bag? Ah, no more cook another. No more. Thank you, sir. May I cook another? Okay. It lasts forever? Crafting. Okay. Recipes. I don't have any more. Show all. F. Okay, coffee. Maybe in the morning we'll make some coffee if we have any. Leave. So.
All right. Well, we better get some rest. I want to be up at first light to find this monster.
Who's Micah? Someone mentioned Micah earlier. E, choose a time to sleep until. What did he just say? Is there a way to like repeat what the guy just said? Because I always look at chat and I'm like, oh, I missed something. E. Morning, 7 hours. That sounds good.
You better be worth all this drama.
You love this mission? Oh! Try not to spoil it for me, aka that one dude. Stone animals will start to decay. Just an FYI. Toast, Josh was saying they don't.
You ready?
So we have conflicting. Okay, let's see. Yeah, coffee. Sounds great.
Sure.
Look at the bugs.
So, what's your plan?
This makes me want to go to the great outdoors.
But we might need to lay bait to draw them out. Bears like fish, obviously, but they also have a sweet tooth. A lot of fellas bait then shoot from the trees, but I prefer to hunt on the ground. More dangerous, but we'll have a much better chance of getting a good shot in. And if he bolts, we can start right off after him. Can you mix up this bait for me while I finish packing this up? Fish, berries. Now tie it up in that rag when you're done.
I hope you know what you're talking
Did he just say to
I grew up in the mountains.
mix up his twig and
I was
berries?
virtually weaned on bear meat.
Sounds so
Just mix
weird.
it together. It's not too hard.
View the crafting menu. Potent predator bait. Sounds like what we're making. Okay, and I'm gonna hit the.
Okay, I think I got this done.
Good. Pack up and we'll get going. Come on, grab your stuff and let's go.
Hold escape to tear down your camp. Whoa. So F,
The hold up here.
leave first, and then tear down camp. Put the fire out.
Let's go.
Don't leave anything on the ground, huh? We're sure the fire's out. Guys, only you can prevent forest fires.
We'll try our luck down by the water. That's where I saw him last.
If we're gonna kill Smokey the Bear, we definitely shouldn't start a fire because
You know,
who's gonna protect the forest if Smokey the Bear is dead?
with Bessie years ago.
This is happening, guys.
I didn't know that. I imagine you still miss her.
Every day.
I guess the guy who's kind of crazy.
Did you two ever think about getting out of the life?
Oh, I think I know the guy. He's one of us, but he's a
You
jackass,
don't remember?
right?
Guess you were still young.
Hey, did you keep the horse that Jose gave you? No, I sold that sucker for 65, bro.
Drifted back into it.
I sold it for 65, no papers.
I remember you not being around for a while.
We could probably go steal it.
Things were looser back then.
Steal it back.
There's never really any getting out. And staying in, it's hard.
Dude, I want to stay in that cabin, like, literally
Bessie and I
right
made it
now.
work. Why?
Like, I want to call my girlfriend and drive to that cabin and just freaking hang out on a lake for a few days, you know what I mean?
Listen, if
Permit
Dutch's
horses are
grand
like the
plans
main
work,
thing.
and we can make enough money to go someplace new, really new, maybe we can all have a new start.
Sleep.
Anyway, for now, let's try and chase ourselves a bear, shall we? Let's look by the water here, see if he's been fishing again recently.
It's gonna be some dead fish bones.
Look for tracks, dung, bones.
Some over here.
Any sign of him.
You haven't entered legendary animal territory. Follow clues and track the animal. You can find legendary animals throughout the world. Wow. There's some over here. E.
Well, there's some paw marks here, Jose. They sure look big enough.
Good. Let's hope it's him. Can you tell which way he went?
This way. Approach the trail. Press Q to focus on the track. Something tells me I should have my rifle out.
Tracks go into those trees.
I have a pistol. sawed-off shotgun. Is that good for a bear, guys? 65 bucks, no pink slip. Yeah, cash, no receipt. No pink slip. Focus on the track. Q. We got more clues over here, buddy. More clues. There's a dead fish right there.
Wait a minute. Something on the ground here.
There's something on the ground here.
Fish here. Must have been left by our friend, I reckon.
Come on, see if there's anything else.
I saw a video today, a chess video, and the guy was talking about Eric Hansen. He's Grandmaster, chess bros. And the guy said Hikaru offered a draw, but Eric didn't notice. He's a Grandmaster. There's 3 things that can happen in chess: win, lose, or draw. He's playing the second highest rated person in the world, and he didn't notice that Hikaru offered him a draw. You know what I'm saying? I'm just like, I feel like it was dumb.
Something else on the ground, just here. There's shit here.
Bear dung.
Looks real fresh. Reckon he's got to be close.
Put your finger in it. Tell me how warm it is. There's a cave right there, guys. I found him. Now we're going to use our common sense. But he might not be in the cave. You to stop tracking. If you lose sight.
Looks like the trail.
Yeah, it ends here, all right. Uh-oh.
We lost him?
For now.
He's in the cave.
A little optimism, Arthur.
It's a freaking bear.
What do you think?
I think we split up and each look.
Either that or we could place bait here.
That could work.
Which you think?
Split up or use the bait.
Arthur? Come on, before we do some all together.
Do you remember
Let's
those
just make
old
a
school
call.
chess bar videos where Eric was crashing out on his Hikaru matches? Let's use the bait. We made it. Let's use it.
Let's bait here.
Fine by me. Let's leave the bag over there.
Yeah, by
Those boulders up ahead looks like a good spot for it.
yeah, by the cave. Right here, or all the way up by the cave, where the bear is sleeping. It's not a cave. It looks like it. Did that not look like a cave? I'm going near large boulders. Oh, this is a large one right here. This is a little bit larger. Oh, okay, so he led me there. Hold B to open the satchel. Take out the world's best potent predator bag. Enter to place it. Okay.
Now we wait.
Wait, where?
£1,000, you say?
More or less. Big scar down his face. Hey, did that bait look okay to you?
I think so. You're the expert.
Ready with your gun there?
I'm good. You okay? You seem nervous.
So do you. I'm fine.
They should input read, and when you look away,
Just take a look at that bait.
Sure.
Come on.
We only just said it, Jose.
I know, but we need to do this right.
where do we even put it? E, inspect the bait.
Give me a hand here. Got your knife?
Uh-oh. That's him.
Easy.
Shoot him! I'm not seeing a lot of options. Oh, what did it say? Like I... Over where? Like I'm not completely dead.
You're fine, old man.
Of course I'm fine. It's nothing. Nothing at all.
He wasn't much help.
Thank you, I think.
That looks pretty bad.
That was fun.
That's going to cause a nasty infection.
You know what, Arthur Morgan? I'm a little old and beaten up to be after the biggest game.
Break free with ease, what it said. Okay. Thank you,
A man in a bar
Angie.
gave it to me. Well, I stole it from him, but that's another story. He said it told him where to find some real big animals.
Eat a lot of shots.
Thank you.
Yeah, exactly. And the blood went off my shirt, too. Okay, no one said the game was 100% realistic.
Going back to camp to lick my wounds. You coming, or you gonna track that monster?
Gotta kill it.
Well, you coming or not?
I'm tracking.
I'm gonna stick around here for a while.
Right? You would, right?
I'll see you back at camp. Yeah.
Back at base camp, if you will. He's gonna RTB, guys. Mission complete. Hold F1 for details. F1. Exit pursued by a bruised ego. After spotting a huge bear up the Dakota River, Jose and Arthur ride out to track it. Track the bear within 1 minute 30 seconds. Shoot the bear at least 6 times. Complete within 12 minutes. That's all I did. Okay. Was that my horse? You know, on multiple horses and can store up to 3 at stables. I do. I didn't know. I don't feel like. Uh-oh. E, inspect.
We got a trail.
Okay.
Must be a way off. Come on, girl.
I saw him go this way. Yeah, okay, let's go. I have to do the thing, right, guys? Like, this is part of the game. Like, I'm supposed to see this other thing right here.
Must be near.
The bear is near. Use some heals. I have heals? How do I change the thing again? A or E or something? Q. Oh, R. Okay, what do we got here? Stamina tonic. Fully restores stamina and fortifies slightly. I should probably use that, right? Health tonic. Tab to use. The crazy thing is, hey, M3 Cosby. Me Cosby. That's a, yeah. So I took a heal, but I didn't see anything change on any of those bars. You need to do the right one. The right what? The right heal? Health tonic. Fine brandy. Dead eye chewing tobacco. Fully restores dead eye and fortifies slightly. I have a few of those. Should I use one of those? Slightly damages my Deadeye core. Why would I want to use that? I only have one of those, so I feel like I should save it. Oh, this one maybe. No. You healed the ring on the outside. You need to do the cores. How do I choose? Oh, just watch the, uh-oh. That little X thing, it looks like it's a little bit more full. Let's just go kill a bear, guys. Focus on track. Q. I think I see him. Sure doesn't have a sister. How come I can't switch my gun? It's making me kill it with this gun. Oh wait, is a shotgun over here? Mash, eat or break free. Some help from the horse. Oh, just hold it down. F to break free. F to break free. Do I mash it or hold it down? Does it have to go around? I was doing E. I wasn't doing... I think, though, we can just pick it up from there. Charlie has plot armor. He's Arthur F. and Morgan. Thank you, brother. Hey, the sawed-off is good, too. It doesn't always have to be a rifle or revolver. That's what I'm saying. Is that what I was using? I have to mash it? Okay, I'm not far. We just were a little bit past the lake, right? H, when my horse is coming. I'll be right back, guys. Like, just be like 1 minute. All right, IRL. IRL, that horse is... Wait, where's my horse? There he is. IRL, that bear is eating my horse right now. But in video game talk, you know, we just respawn at the checkpoint. Whoa. Am I going the right way? Who's this guy?
Hey, I don't want to cuddle. Back up.
He don't want to cuddle.
Yeah.
Oh, we went... Yeah, we went down there and we tracked him We tracked him this way, right? It wasn't back in there. It was... There's the big rock. Is that the big rock? Don't remember. Hey, you can switch your weapons and access your full inventory on your horse. That's cool to know. I just don't know how to, There's my shotgun. Or my rifle. I guess I should have gone back over here and tracked him or something. Dude, we came down here and we tracked him, and I don't think it was that way. Let me look over here real quick. This does not look familiar. No, this is not the way. We tracked him to that thing that looked like a cave. Oh, wait. Was it right here and then to the left? And the big rock's over here? It is. Hey! Found it. The cave looks different because it is... I guess I should take him a little further up, huh? And you know what's funny, too? The first time I fought the horse, you guys gotta admit, I got a bunch of shots off. I was like real calm and collected and cool and horse slapping. Is he over there? I don't see him. Do I gotta track him further because I failed? Okay, well, he killed me like right over here. Your dead-eye core is empty. You can sleep, smoke cigars, eat food. Okay, my dead-eye core is empty. Let's go down a little bit closer to the horse. And then hit this and do my dead-eye core. That's what Josh was trying to teach me, guys. R. Fully restores dead-eye and fortifies slightly. Slightly damages dead-eye core. Fully restores dead-eye core, but then damages dead-eye core. Why does it say that? Slightly restores stamina core and moderately restores dead-eye core. We're going to try that one right there. Don't you think it's dangerous in a video game to have an alcoholic beverage, like, fix your dead-eye core and fix your stamina? I don't know about that, guys. Kids might play this game. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I saw my dead-eye core go up that time. Okay. Now. Is the longer my dead-eye is on, the faster it depletes? We lost him? He was hanging out up here. Let's go see if we can get a clue. Huh. The bear killed me. I respawned back there by the lake. I don't want to rob the train. It was over here, right? E, skin. I got 2 gristly muttons. Compendium update. Oh, I get the ram hide. I'll put that on my horse. And then I'll eat some food. R, stow. Okay. And then, as recommended by Josh, we can go ahead and... Where's my food? I stowed like a million freaking things of freaking, of food. Hey, yeah. Micah versus Jose, who would win? I don't know, man. Jose kind of pushed out, didn't he, in the bear fight? He hid behind a big rock. Look at the alcohol and scroll through. Ah. Hey, kidney beans. I got these. You say these are good food? Oh, I see. And that's my heart. So I can do that again one more time because... Ooh, I'm learning how to navigate. Now I think my heart's going to get full, guys. I got heart, folks. The bear's gone. But I was looking up there where the bear was, looking for a clue. But I'm not getting any clues. Hey! That's exactly right. So the bear is gone. How did I lose the bear, guys? Do we go back or do we keep... I think I can ride my horse up that way a ways. Oh, I can call my horse, right? The bear's wounded. Whoa. Dude, what's with the brickwork? Oh, because of the train. Okay. 50% to level 5. Stamina F1 for details. Hold F1 for details. What does it mean? Your stamina attribute determines how far you can run before becoming tired. Core, 84%. Core time remaining, 75 minutes. Core drain rate, 100%. Guys, there's no freaking bear, man. Does anyone have any opinions on the bear? Oh, wait. It just said focus on track. There is a track. Q. But I don't think that's the bear. I think it's an unknown animal. This is a little baby animal, guys. It's a game trail, guys. He went in the bushes. Maybe he went here to die. Maybe the bear is going to be here. I don't want to piss Jose off, like, and let these scar-faced... Here to and... Oh, is it right there? It's a rabbit, dude. Yeah, it's a rabbit. It's a freaking rabbit. How do I know I'm going the right way? It's a rabbit. Wait. Or a squirrel. It was a rabbit. Now I can't drop down. So I'll surely die a god off. Dude, is it... Did you have a parachute like it? I can just call my horse, huh? Whoa. Jesus. Was that because my stamina was depleted? I'll just leave and come back later if you can't find him. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. But I don't know. I feel like a big... Oh yeah, I forgot. I was chasing a freaking rabbit's tail for a long time. I ain't trying to slide down. I want to walk down. I said I ain't trying to slide down. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna follow my butt and slide, huh? Like that one boss. What's the boss, Ripper? The boss where you slide down. Come on. I'm gonna get hurt. Okay, I think I'm down near the trail. Stamina 75% to level 5. Hold F1 for details. F1, FU. Let's get the horse. It's probably fat. Oh, he'll run right to me. Oh, that's pretty freaking cool. Let your fingers do the walking, guys. It's a snap. We can actually walk toward him too. Pretty flowers, guys. I want to pick them. And now he went back to camp. What's on my map? It says the bear is right here.
Easy, girl.
M. Now it's just a little bit ahead of me to my right. It says the bear's right here. But it's not.
You're all right, girl.
Oh. M? Yeah, I'm at the bear, guys. On the map. So, I gotta ride back. Bed of Chaos. Hey! You know what's funny about that? Bed of Chaos. I ran to the right side first. And broke like the webs or the walls or whatever you gotta break. The twigs. But I didn't get the prize. I didn't get the target. And then I went into the middle and I went and did the other side. And it's like, oh, I gotta go back. And then I died. And then every time I come in, I couldn't get there. Do you remember that? I was having so much trouble with that freaking boss, man. I'm like, I'm just gonna keep doing it. I just Dark Souls it up. I just kind of kept on going until I couldn't go no more. Should I be like getting food while I'm here, guys?
Yep.
Should I have been doing more hunting? Should I have killed that rabbit? Hey, Cully. Is she in a bush? I'm right here, lady, but I can't see you.
I'm trapped. Please, someone.
You sound...
My legs all numb. Please hurry.
Ranger?
Aren't you going to help?
R.
What happened?
My horse collapsed. I don't know why. It's my friends.
Antagonize.
Well, this don't look good for you.
Please, just help me, mister.
Help.
I'll see what I can do.
Yeah, I'll lift the horse.
Yes. Yes.
Get your numb leg out, lady.
You can. Yes, it's getting loose.
Okay. Whew.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. You saved me. Oh, that was bad.
Okay.
Dude, that gun was in her gut, bro.
I could have been stuck
That's
here and starved
unsafe
or
practices.
eaten. Oh, you poor, dumb animal. Oh. What'll I tell Mildred? Well, thank you.
Mildred's gonna be pissed. Okay, stranger again.
It's selfish of me to ask, I know, but would you mind taking me home?
We're taking it home for
Not
sure,
if
guys.
My leg will get me there.
It's the right thing to do. We don't have to be jerks all the time in our lives.
Sure. Be happy to.
Really? Thank you so much.
Let's try to call my horse.
I
H.
live over in Annisburg.
No problem.
No problem. Is the horse coming automatically? He is. Crazy. Do I pick her up?
We'll need to go on a horse.
Excuse me?
My leg can't handle the walk.
Torrent. Torrent is his name. So she just jumps right up. She side saddles that sucker. Okay. And then we take... Can I loot? Can I loot the horse? I like the way the horse kind of got kicked. We're going by my cabin, guys. Be like, hey, I got some deer meat. You want to hop in that cabin? You make some dinner for us right quick, lady?
I don't normally travel this far alone, you know.
Yeah. Whatever.
I was off inquiring about a possible new line of work.
Yeah, here we are.
I borrowed a friend's horse for the trip.
Right.
See, my husband... Well, it's just me and my boy now, and it's hard to find work.
I'm sure it is. Yeah.
A good opportunity.
In other words,
That's what
I'm single.
looking for.
So
Not
she,
much work for a woman with a boy to raise. I won't
So
work
she's
in no
saying she was
saloon,
liking
but
that.
I've got sharp eyes and quick hands. I was hoping to get a job working as a seamstress. A wealthy man said he'd pay me for the work.
Sounds promising. Also doesn't sound real.
Oh, you may be right, I suppose. He said he'd provide room and board for me and for my child. He wanted to meet me first.
what was it?
Be careful with offers like that.
The job
I
description.
can't afford to dismiss offers like these, even if they do seem...
That's how life is, huh?
Just be careful is all I'm saying.
When you can't afford
I
stuff,
may not
you
have
gotta
another
take
opportunity like
chances.
this. Now I'll have to pay Mildred back for her horse.
It sure sounds like you're in a hard position.
You finding me is the only good thing that's happened to me in a long while, sir.
Oh. The best ones are the greet, antagonize. Okay, I'm gonna try that. AKA the dude.
Slow down. What are you doing?
Riding my horse, lady. Dude, there's so much deer over here. I should go hunting over here. 1000%. Should I like stop and just make her wait and hunt for a while? Maybe set up camp? Dude, a red fox! That thing's red too. Aww. What was I just talking about,
Why'd
folks?
you stop?
Dinner.
Why'd you just mount?
Is she gonna die because I stopped to skin a red fox? Free freaking dinner, guys. Or is I just get the skin? I don't get the meat?
Is something the matter?
So I can't render the beef?
We've got to move. Come on.
We don't have to move. I just killed a fox, lady. Horse cargo B.
Enough. I'll walk the rest of the way.
Uh-oh. R, drop it. Drop it!
Giddy up.
Stop being dumb. I just want to get the freaking...
Giddy up.
I wanted the loot. Sometimes I swear the horse turns when I tell it not to, or when I don't want it.
Stay here for now, girl.
Save me!
I'm just trying to talk to you, nut lady. Chase her back toward the horse? Maybe she'll get on the horse by accident. I got a feeling I screwed up, guys. I got a good mind to skin out of here, you know that? Dude. My stamina bar increased. Oh, does your stamina go up from running? I'm out of here. No good deed goes unpunished, folks. Okay, where's my map? How do I get home? Annisburg. It makes me want a Hamburg. Oh my god, I'm this far away from home? It's way over here. I gotta go way over there. This road looks like it takes me there. So if I just head west and then catch this road. There's no fast travel, is there, guys? Where's my W? I think I'm going toward the W, guys. Is this right? Wait for it. Dude. I think I have to buy another mouse, man. It's kind of annoying. Yeah, I gotta just kind of go west. And then I can, when I get to the major thoroughfare, I could turn left. So we're going to go as west as we can. I almost feel like I could go more west that way. No, I want to get the hell away from this town, dude. You can click on a place and it should path. Oh, way there. Oh. Cool. But what happens if your freaking scroll wheel sucks donkey balls? Well, I marked it, but... Oh, it'll path it on my mini-map? Caravan camp. Okay. Add marker, Z. Waypoint. Arrow. All right. And why is it red? Dude, I should have ran over that freaking bot. We should kill that little bear and then go back and show the guy, hey, we got the bear. He'll be like, that's not the bear, you freaking jacknut. I'm cutting corners, guys. Oh, we got to cross the right spot. Okay, good. Oh my God, it's getting dark. Are we gonna have to stop? Are we gonna have to set up camp, guys? I will freaking head on, dude. There's a lady that's gonna be yelling and screaming. We got to get out away from that town, so they don't send out a freaking posse, dude. Although, who's gonna come get me? The old man. Her husband's dead, so we probably don't have to worry about her, right? She needs to go home and take care of her boy. I did nothing to her, guys. She got weird. That was like a bad date, dude, and she went and gave me like a bad freaking Tinder review, guys. And I didn't even do anything. I was trying to buy dinner. God. I feel guilty because I didn't want it. Guys, it's a sin, Ma. You can't just leave meat on the side of the road. Be honest. What would you guys have done? Is my horse almost dead? Are we really going there? Why is it red? Does it mean that you can't get there from here? Is that what red means? Red is a normal color. Yellow is for quest. Okay, so red works. Okay. Guys, I think I want some daylight. I'm gonna find a nice spot. Okay, my horse needs stamina core. Looks like a good spot, guys. Oh, wait. Tab. No. No. Wait for it. Tab. R. Camp. Guys, I'm setting up camp. I don't know what else to do. I hope we got far enough away. I'm going to wake up surrounded. I'm going to wake up swinging from a tree, guys. You know she's going to lie. Craft cook. Plain mutton. And so just keep making the mutton. Exhaust all mutton log. I've been working, guys. I'm gonna go and eat some of that. Cook another. Thank you, sir. May I cook another? What chapter are you on? I don't know, Luca. How do we find out? One does not simply know what chapter they are on. At least I don't. I don't know if I need it. My heart is full, guys. So we're gonna stow. Thank you, sir. May I cook another? Well, that's pretty much it. Oh, we got plain venison. Thank you, sir. May I cook some more? We're cooking a plain venison. Okay, stow it. Right? We're making meat, guys. Thank you, sir. May I cook another? Now I'm having fun. I got a little campsite. We're going to rest. We're going to wake up. It's going to be daylight. You know what I mean? Stow it. Oh, thank you, sir. I can't cook another. We got some plain stringy meat. Okay. Cooking, cooking, cooking. So, is this something you do early game, and then when you get better at the game, you never do this again? You just like always have money, and you just walk in and buy a bunch of food, right? I don't think I'm supposed to eat, guys, because we already ate. Thank you, sir. This is pretty cool, though. I really dig the vibe of this camp. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm camping a little bit, guys. Stow it. Okay, we're done. Okay. Escape. Okay, E. Sleep. Set up tent, left control. Why the hell not? Will I get better sleep or something? Will I get better sleep if I sleep in a tent? It's a pretty cool setup, guys. You know there's bugs. E. We're gonna go for 7 hours. Hopefully we can get home by nighttime tomorrow. Dude, we're going to Nokron, bro. But that's what I wanted right there. I wanted daylight, guys. Rest by fire, craft, cook, tear down camp. F. Tearing down camp. We're going to follow the red line, guys, because red is good. It should be green. Quest yellow, agree. Whoa. H. Where is he? Get over here, buddy. We got a red line to chase.
Let's go, girl.
Let's go, girl. Didn't you sleep? I did. Why? Is something wrong with my health or something? Dude, my... I keep forgetting. Okay, we're back on the road, guys. We're back on the road. something tells me I should be hunting while I'm here, man. Because there's so much... Here's a guy. What's this guy want? Oh, he wants to be friendly, huh? No? You don't want to snuggle? Whoa. Forgot the turn, guys. You guys didn't tell me I missed the turn. Dude, you know what's good about this game? When you're riding on the road, you got to keep looking at the mini-map. When I'm playing Call of Duty, I don't look at my mini-map enough, guys. I used to. It was my life. And it is your life. But I'm telling you, because it's like my main mode is free-for-all. And I just run forward, and when I see something, a glitch in the Matrix, I try and shoot it faster than it shoots me, and it works out pretty good for me. But when you're playing like TDM and stuff, and you're trying to find enemies, or really even in free-for-all, to be honest with you, it would be way better if I look at my freaking mini-map more, man. It's kind of like looking at your clock in 1 minute, Chess. It's like you don't really have enough time to, but you have to. Red Dead, so red makes sense. You know what? You got it, Josh. Are you enjoying the game? Jackery Taylor, dude, I'm having fun. Yeah, Prashant was saying, didn't you rest? And I'm like, didn't you sleep? And yeah, I did sleep. But why would you ask like that? Is it because like my health didn't regenerate or something, or? Oh. Cut him off, guys. I'm just trying to get back to my people. There's a little train station right there. Like a horse runs full speed over train tracks. Maybe. Let's go! Did we really go this far away? Did we cross over this? I don't remember that. And the sound should have changed when I went over that bridge, guys. I mean, I'm not trying to be picky. I like the game. I'll tell you this. When I played Skyrim, oh, the horses... his core, but he can still run. Slow down, just stop. I can't go that fast. This guy's gonna think I want to snuggle, though. I don't want to snuggle, bro. Jump to... Yeah, whatever. I gotta tend to my horse. Okay. Feed horse. Rent. Study. Q. Brush him. B.
Let's get you looking good.
Okay. Feed him with the R. Classic oat cakes. Okay. Pat him with the big... Give him the big G. Okay. He should be fine now. Or was Prashant talking about, didn't I sleep like between the chest stream and right now? No, I didn't. Because there was no need. Oh yeah, you said slow down, huh? Just go with this medium slow gallop. I want to get my ass home, bro. You got me over here running slow. It's a horse. It's a $15 horse. If it dies, I'll buy another one. Jeez. It's a video game. But you know what, though? If they make you slow down... Ooh, there's a fire over there. I kind of want to go check that out, guys. No, we got to stay focused. How close are we to home? We are probably... Yeah, we're more than halfway home. We're more than halfway home. I could probably book it and the horse won't die, guys. Go hard and then slow down for a bit. Okay. But is there a meter or something that says, like, you're going way too fast? Where's that meter? I like to jump going downhill, guys, like on Torrent. My horse's name is Torrent.
Hey, enough out of you. Stay back from the wagon, sir. Transporting a fugitive.
What?
Hey, you! Please, you gotta get me out of here! Let me out of here! I got a wife and kids!
Shut up and keep still. I won't ask again. Move out of the way.
I never robbed a thing in all my life!
Can I let him out?
Oh, you're giving me a headache. Your choice. Put him down.
Yeah, teach him a lesson!
He's shooting at me? You're a wanted lawman and I was searching for you. No! Oh, no, no. If I get out of the red zone, it's Crimson Desert. Now I'm out of the red zone. They're still searching for me? Are they chasing me? I made it out of the red zone. In Crimson Desert. Oh, okay. Part of the W is gone. Part of the red is gone. The Red Dead Redemption. Okay, I'll slow down. Okay, but oh my god. I gotta slow down a little bit. Are they coming after me, bro? I didn't even do anything! I got a little close to a prisoner. Whoop-de-damn-do. New handover bounty, $5. The law are no longer pursuing you, but your crimes won't be forgotten. If you are spotted by a lawman in a red area, you'll become wanted again. Okay, guys, we're learning the rules. Cutting the corners, guys. Straightening the curves, if you will. I'm going to post a bounty on your head. Avoid them or pay off your bounty at the post office. This is so Crimson Desert, bro. Lawmen appear as little red X's on the map. They could have told me that, too. Bounty hunters remember previous crimes you committed in their state. Pay off your bounty at a post office. Well, there's a post office. What the hell does he want? Who is he, a bounty hunter or something? No one's here. God. Yeah, I think I'm turning in. I'm turning into my home, guys. Hey! Where's the freaking post office? Oh, there's no post office here.
It's all good. Calm down.
No, the post office was in the town, in Valentine. This is just a camp, guys. There's no post office here. I gotta go to Valentine and pay my debt, guys. What is that red dot right there? Oh, that's my waypoint. Okay, like, see, how do I remove waypoint? I don't know, I take the waypoint off.
Mr. Morgan,
Yes, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Matthews gave me a message for you. He said when it was convenient to head into Emerald Ranch. He's looking at a few business things there.
Okay.
Oh, he'll find something too. He always does. Will you be well now, Mr. Morgan?
I'm always well, Miss Grimshaw.
We gotta get some food soon, Arthur. Food or money.
Okay, so the X is gone now. What is that little thing? Provisions? How come I can't... Because I already stole from there? Okay.
Yeah, morning.
What are you all about, lady? It won't let me talk to her, guys. She's wearing a dude's jacket, I think. Ah, I think... Oh, is my home here? Do I have a bed? Is that what that thing was?
Good morning.
Is this my home? Yeah. This is my home. examine the photograph. Toggle view, V. Okay. Zoom. She is rather mannish. She looks like Eric from True Blood. Lip it. Oh, okay. Is it? This is my tent, right? Inspect. Okay, there's a picture of a dog. A couple of guys. Another guy. Looks like an outlaw. Rambles through the woods and plains. Q. What does that mean? Huh. Oh, is that the book? I'm going to sit, guys. R. R to sit. Because my name is Arthur, right? I'm just going to chill here, guys. Should I sleep like World of Warcraft? Morning, 20 hours. Do we sleep for 20 days? Guys, we did a long, hard ride. I almost am not sure if we should even do that. I'm not going to sleep. I'm going to log out. Guys, thanks for being here. We got a couple more hours into this. Now we have a bounty on our head. We have to go probably to Valentine. I think that's the nearest thing, right? But he wants us to go to Emerald. But they got to watch out for the cops, guys. I want to watch out for the cops. I hate riding dirty, man. Way too much stress, guys. Guys, ride clean. It's not hard. It's not hard. You don't get in trouble. Yeah, highly recommend it. Freaking love you guys, man. Hit the like, follow, comment, and subscribe. All those buttons, guys. Hit the buttons. It helps. And I'll be back tomorrow at 3 p.m. for the 3 o'clock chess stream, Monday through Thursday. And then we'll be back here on Wednesday for some Elden Ring. Unless I get back on this. We're going to find out. Thanks for being here, guys. Josh, thanks for the help. Scorn, thanks for the help. There was a Starry Wary was giving some help. Appreciate you guys. Angie of Spades was giving some help. And thank you, Smith Coast, for the follow. Uzba for the follow. Doc Bizzle for the follow. That was from Chest Room, I think. Ali Spector from the follow. Dude, there's like 7 followers on Twitch today. That's insane. That's growing like a weed. That is. Freaking love you guys. Goodbye.